There was a girl named Sapana. Every time she finished her prayer, she would raise her hands for dua, but her mind would go blank. She never knew what to ask from Allah. And like Sapana, there are so many people who pray regularly, but when it's time to speak to Allah, their hearts fall silent. They wonder, what should I ask? Where do I even begin? And then they simply end their prayer without asking for anything. But remember, dua itself is an act of worship, just like Salah is worship. How merciful is our Allah? He says, ask from me, and even for your asking, I will reward you. One evening, Sapana was scrolling through Instagram. She came across an Islamic page. Something about it touched her heart. For the first time, she thought, maybe I should message and share what I feel. So she typed, Assalamu alaikum. And soon came a reply, Wa alaikum assalam. How can I help you, sister? Without wasting time, Sapana opened her heart and shared everything. The girl from the page smiled and said, let me teach you something. Today, I'll show you how to make a dua. Listen carefully. And she began. Ya Allah, you are the one who never gets tired of listening. You respond to every single call. You never turn away a sinner who comes back to you in tears. Ya Allah, where can we go besides you? Whose door can we knock except yours? You're the one who watches our silent tears in the dark of the night and hears our trembling voices in the noise of the day. Ya Allah, you are Al-Kareem, the one who answers every prayer. You know the wishes hidden deep inside my heart, and even those I'm too shy to say aloud. Ya Allah, you know what lies behind my smile, the pain that no one sees. I laugh among people all day, but at night I cry only to you. When I feel tired, when my sajdas grow longer, when words run out while making dua, I just whisper, Ya Allah, you already know. Ya Allah, in one moment, you can fill every empty corner of my heart. If you will, you can change my destiny. If you will, you can open doors I never imagined. Accept those prayers that have been locked in my heart for years, those I've cried for again and again, believing that one day you will answer them. Ya Allah, my sins are many. My mistakes stand like walls between me and your mercy. But you are Al-Ghafur, Al-Rahim, Al-Kareem. Forgive my sins that stop my prayers from reaching you. Wash away my faults that weigh my heart down and steal the beauty from my worship. Don't let my tears go in vain, and never let my hope turn into despair. Ya Allah, you are the same Lord of Yunus alayhi salam, who saved him from the darkness of the sea, the same Lord of Musa alayhi salam, who parted the ocean to make a way for him. Show that same mercy on me. Grant me your closeness, a closeness that no sorrow, no sin, and no distance can break. I ask from you with my heart, with my tears, with my sajda, and with the belief that you will never leave my hands empty. Ya Allah, beautify my destiny, fill my heart with peace, and make my prayers a source of goodness in this world and in the hereafter. Include me among those who are beloved to you, your chosen ones. Ya Allah, grant me strength to always return to you, and the ability that my tongue stays in dua and my heart stays in your remembrance. Ameen. When the dua ended, tears rolled down Sapana's face. For the first time, she realized It's not about finding the right words. It's about opening your heart, because Allah already knows, even the prayers you never say.